Subwoofer cables are essential for delivering clean, low-frequency signals, minimizing noise, and ensuring powerful, distortion-free bass in car audio systems. My today's video is about top 5 best subwoofer cable that's are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at YYTCG subwoofer cable. The YYTCG RCA cable stands out as a premium solution for both car and home audio setups, delivering a well-balanced and immersive listening experience. Its 4N oxygen-free copper conductors ensure clean signal transmission, producing punchy bass, smooth mids, and crisp highs with impressive clarity. The advanced multi-shielding design, featuring tinned copper braiding, dual PVC layers, and ferrite cores, effectively minimizes EMI and RFI interference, resulting in reduced distortion and consistent performance. The 24K gold-plated pure copper connectors enhance durability and maintain stable connectivity even after extensive use. Additionally, the rugged nylon braided jacket provides excellent resistance against wear, bending, and tangling, significantly extending the cable's lifespan. Whether used for subwoofers, amplifiers, or home theater systems, this cable offers reliable compatibility and high-end audio performance, making it a solid investment for anyone seeking enhanced sound quality. Now our second product is CableDirect subwoofer cable. The CableDirect RCA/Phono cable delivers a truly refined audio experience, standing out with its 75 ohm impedance that supports both analog and digital signals, something many standard coax cables fail to achieve. Its dual male-to-male RCA connectors with gold-plated tips ensure stable, high-quality transmission, producing clear, distortion-free sound with impressive detail. The high-purity copper core works in tandem with double-layer shielding, aluminum mylar foil and dense copper braiding to effectively eliminate electromagnetic interference, preserving signal integrity even in demanding setups. A durable PVC jacket adds flexibility and protection, while the break-proof metal sleeves around the connectors significantly enhance longevity. Rigorously tested for reliability, this cable feels premium in both build and performance. Backed by a generous 36-month warranty, it's a dependable choice for users seeking consistent, high-fidelity audio without compromise. Our third product is SVS subwoofer cable. This RCA cable showcases meticulous engineering focused on both signal purity and long-term durability. The cold-fused gold plating on the center pin and outer ring ensures a consistently stable connection, minimizing oxidation while maintaining optimal conductivity over time. At its core, the multi-strand high-purity copper conductor delivers clean, accurate signal transmission, preserving fine audio details across frequencies. Surrounding it, a robust 56-strand outer shield significantly reduces interference, while the aircraft-grade aluminum shell adds an extra layer of protection and structural strength. What truly sets this cable apart is its elegant cotton-braided jacket, which not only enhances flexibility in handling but also contributes as an additional RFI shield layer. Resistant to scuffs and wear, it ensures longevity without compromising aesthetics, making it a premium choice for audiophiles seeking both performance and refined build quality. Now number 4, Top Stronger subwoofer cable. This complete car audio wiring kit is designed for powerful and reliable amplifier installations, combining performance, durability, and convenience in one package. The 17 feet 4 AWG red power wire and 3 foot black ground wire use Ultraflex 1862 strand CCA construction, ensuring strong current flow while remaining flexible for easy routing in tight vehicle spaces. The included 18 feet 16 AWG speaker wire and remote turn-on wire provide clean signal control and seamless system activation. A high-quality basic RCA cable made from oxygen-free copper ensures accurate, noise-free audio transmission for improved sound clarity. Safety is reinforced with a heat-tested, water-resistant inline fuse holder and 80AANL fuse, protecting your system from electrical overloads. With all necessary terminals and accessories included, this kit offers a complete, ready-to-install solution for upgrading car audio systems with stable power delivery and enhanced sound performance. And our last choice is SoundFam subwoofer cable. This 90-degree subwoofer RCA cable is engineered for both high-performance audio and practical installation flexibility. Its gold-plated RCA connectors and polished alloy housing ensure excellent conductivity, delivering clean, distortion-free stereo sound with strong signal stability. The dual shielding, combining copper braid and aluminum foil, effectively minimizes RFI and EMI interference, preserving audio clarity even in electrically noisy environments. The right-angle connector design is especially useful for tight or wall-mounted setups, reducing strain on the cable and preventing long-term bending damage while improving connection accessibility in confined spaces. Built with oxygen-free copper and reinforced with a PVC sheath and nylon braid, it offers outstanding durability and flexibility, capable of withstanding over 10,000 bend cycles. With broad compatibility across subwoofers, receivers, gaming consoles, and home theater systems, this cable is a reliable, long-lasting solution for users seeking both convenience and premium sound performance in compact installations. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.